Welcome back guys, and in my phone I am going to discuss one app, one setting, one hack, you can say anything which will increase your speed and optimize storage. So not wasting much of your time, if you like the video please consider to subscribe this channel. Here you are seeing that one app is security. We just open it. Now there are many options here. Cleaner. Now when we'll go to the cleaner, it is telling me that there are 6.5 GB of cache files. As soon as I will clean up this, just going to clean up. See, now it has finished cleaning and it is asking to scan. I will do later. Now I will go to the boost speed. Go here, it will check something, third-party apps, and now it is telling that 2.2 GB is there. Here we can also check clear cache when device is locked. Please check it and select the time whatever suits to you. Here just boost speed. Now see what will happen. It will clear the cache and my device is now 25% faster. So here many things are there, you can go and check it one by one. Please make sure that auto speed boost should be selected 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever time suits you. So this is okay. Now deep clean, we can go to deep clean and we can clean the duplicate files, the videos which are big files, many files are there. We can go and deep clean it to optimize the storage and boosting the speeds. From battery also we can see that which app is taking how much percentage of battery. So from here we can control the battery usage also, which ultimately 5G saver we can deactivate or activate. Battery drain notifications, we can receive the notifications when battery is being drained fast. We can, so this is a very useful hack. You can call it trick, you can call it a method to increase and optimize storage in MIUI mobile. So this is all what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.